Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking the right clip for your hair density and the style you want. Choose snap for light hold, claw for volume, bobby for securing small sections. Once done, detangle and divide the hair into 1/4 sections so each clip grips cleanly. This prevents slippage and uneven tension. Make sure your hands, mirror, comb, and 3 to 6 clips are ready at arm's reach to keep momentum and avoid interrupting the styling flow. You open the clip fully and place the teeth parallel to the scalp, so it bites through hair rather than sliding. This is how you get lasting hold. Then anchor the clip at the roots, sweep the section into the clip with controlled motion, and close while giving a small upward lift to lock tension. This prevents pulling. Next, layer additional clips away from the face to distribute weight evenly and to maintain balanced tension across all sections for a polished result. You finish by assessing symmetry and comfort. Run your fingers along the hairline and adjust any clip angle that pinches or causes uneven lift. If clips slip, make smaller sections, apply a small amount of dry texturizing product, or switch to a stronger clip style. This increases friction and reduces movement. Finally, to remove clips safely, open them fully and slide toward the ends rather than pulling, because this technique protects hair from breaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.